All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Every now and then I'll post some content on this Apple Watch, and I gave you a follow-up here recently. But I've actually had this watch for since the Ultra Watch 2 launched, a little over a year or so. And I decided to grab me some new bands. Now, I'll leave a link to these in the description, but this was just too good of a deal to pass up. When I'm exercising, and plus this band itself, and I have other leather bands and things like that, but this is just the packaging it came in, that's all. I have other leather bands, but I wanted a nylon band, and I didn't want to spend the Apple tax, is what they call it, right? They call it the Apple tax. And so I jumped on Amazon, because you can find everything on Amazon, and I grabbed this. So I got 3 different colors, and I recently just grabbed these. They were cheap too at Best Buy, but I just can't get with this band anymore. I just don't like it. So I decided to change it up for 2025 and get myself a treat. And these don't cost a lot. You know, check the current pricing in the description, maybe $10 for the whole set, which is an amazing deal, something like that. So there's different color combinations that you can choose, but obviously, you know, war veteran. So these combinations of colors right here fit my needs for what I like. So I decided to go ahead and grab this combination right here. So, you know, changing the watch band off is obviously really simple. You just hit the little button there in the interior on the watch, and then it changes them out. So let's see here. I always get kind of confused on this, on which way I'm supposed to do it. So it's going to probably be like this. Yep. All right, so just make sure this portion right here is in the interior so it can lock in place. And then you do the same thing for this side, and then you lock it in place. That tab right there should be facing in the interior. And you slide it in place. So again, I always get confused on, you know, which way I'm supposed to do that. I have big hands, but not too, a big wrist too, but not too big of a wrist, but getting it over my hands, I have to find bands that'll work like that. So yeah, that's really good. This is actually a pretty big band too. This works good. I like it. So there, now I've got the snug fit that I actually want, you know, without it having it too hard to get it on and off. And I'm glad I have all these different colors here to choose from. Like, they're all gonna look really nice on here. And now I have extras, man. So I probably switched to this one. I kind of like this one, but this army green is actually really nice. So there you have it, man. I grabbed me some new bands. Just want to share with you guys. These are the Nylon Sports bands. You've got some Velcros here, 4 of them here to help keep it on tight. You want to have it too tight, but I did want to have a better fit when I'm exercising. The watch, this band right here, again, it's nice and everything, but it just kind of, I don't like taking it on and off. It's the way you put it on is just, nah. And it doesn't feel as good a quality either after it wears for a little bit of time. But this band right here, I think this will be all right. And I can tighten it up more if I want to as well. And then I can loosen it easily, unlike these right here. And yes, I do have a leather band set up, but I wouldn't wear that to, I don't like wearing that to work out. And then I'm pretty much active most of the day. So these bands right here are going to do me just fine. So I'll try each one of them on after this video and see which one I'm going to stick with. But there it is, man. I'll leave a link in the description so you could grab yours, because this is actually a really nice, comfortable band. And it's very affordable for a full set of 3. You just can't beat it. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.